So as we make our way under our second bridge in the Grand Trawler 62 on the way to the Miami Boat Show, I wanted to talk a little bit about the Beneteau value proposition. So we're a new dealer for Beneteau, and in the past I've often been competing against Beneteau, selling other brands. And my prospective customers would often ask me, Chris, these other brands are extremely nice, but they're not any nicer than the Beneteau, and the Beneteau is 25 to 30% less, depending on which brand we're talking about, which competing brand. So I was kind of wondered, how does a boat built in France to a very high quality standard with excellent amenities compete so effectively from a value standpoint? Clearly, France is not known as a low-cost manufacturing destination. Well, what I've learned is that it's a combination of efficiency, engineering, and volume. So Beneteau is the largest boat manufacturer in the world. And when you're the largest boat manufacturer, you learn how to be efficient because you do it a lot of times, but you also get excellent terms from your vendors and suppliers. So most every yacht uses the same components: air conditioning from Dometic, engines from Volvo or MAN Diesel, Garmin or Raymarine Electronics, etc., etc. And when you buy a whole lot of products, you get an excellent price. The other thing that Beneteau gets from their vendors is most of their components have extended warranties that are only available on Beneteau. So a Dometic warranty is typically 3 years. On a Beneteau, it's 5 years. A Yanmar diesel is typically 3 years. On a Beneteau, it's 5 years. And there's many examples of that where component vendors provide extended warranty to Beneteau owners because Beneteau is such a powerful force in the boat manufacturing market. So I'll tell you, it was hard to justify the cost difference between some of my other brands and Beneteau, and it's even harder now. This is an extremely high value product as far as yachts go. It is really well built in France, not in a low-cost manufacturing destination. Extremely well engineered. Lots of attention to real-world boating detail. It's not just about looks. And a lot of mechanical simplicity that comes from the Beneteau sailing heritage, which I like because everyone who boats extensively knows things break. And the fewer things there are to break, the better. And if something does break and it's simple, it's much easier to fix. So the Beneteau value proposition I have found to be extremely, extremely compelling. You are getting a high quality boat built in a first world manufacturing destination with exceptional warranty, manufacturer warranty and component warranty, and an excellent service network. So the other advantage of being the biggest boat manufacturer in the world is we have service destinations everywhere you may end up. And especially here in South Florida, our service operation for our Beneteau clients is second to none. And anywhere you go, you're going to find Beneteau service available anywhere in the world. So the Beneteau value proposition I have found to be incredibly compelling, and I think you'll see that Beneteau is worth a look. This is the 62 Grand Trawler, flagship of the trawler line, the biggest boat Beneteau builds. Of course, the Swift trawlers, a little more of a utilitarian look, but even greater value proposition, the Swift trawler line. You get great efficiency, mechanical, simplicity, and extremely high value. So come see us at the Miami Boat Show. I'm Christopher. You may text 561-285-1212. We look forward to showing you the Beneteau line and the incredible value and luxury that Beneteau offers our clients.